Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juhi. I'm a cabin crew who only flies to London. I've been flying a lot this month, which is why I'm not posting. I'm sorry. um but the thing is, when you fly so much, it's so difficult to be mentally and physically available all the time. Most of the time I'm absent. Like right now, I have just landed from my flight and I'm leaving for central London to shop because I need to shop for few things. मैं किसी friends के साथ fly नहीं कर रही हूँ इस बार, तो मुझे अकेले कहीं जाना था because I love solo traveling, like this kind of solo travel. So yeah, I'm just gonna go shopping and then I'm gonna take you along. So I'm going to Oxford Street and also I'm going to have early dinner kind of a thing. So let's go. About my outfit, this is like a very casual thing that I'm wearing. It's a quad kind of a situation. I'm wearing a hoodie with the matching pants. It's like a jogger band, and some of the jewelry, my watch and a necklace, so that I look a little dressy because this looks very casual. This is the bag that I'm carrying, and then I've done a high pony because my hair is very oily today and I didn't want to wash it right now. I've just landed like a few hours ago. I wouldn't say that I'm very tired, but I'm kind of tired. I really want to go shopping. मैं जब भी ऐसा करती हूँ कि मैं पहले सो जाती हूँ 1-2 घंटे के लिए एंड फिर जाती हूँ, तो मैं हमेशा लेट हो जाती हूँ. I don't feel like waking up when I'm sleeping. तो इसलिए अभी मैं ऐसे ही जा रही हूँ. These are the shoes that I'll be wearing. My glasses. It's sunny today, which I love. And also, I've picked up some salad from Marks and Spencer. This is a 3 plant salad with green tahini yogurt. Very fancy, I know, but इसका जो yogurt है ना, एकदम चटनी जैसे लगता है. So I love it. And lots of vegetables, which I need because I've had a lot of flight food, which is not really good for your health. So yeah, I'm gonna have this and then we are going to go. See you.
Going down.
So अभी मैं निकल गई हूँ and as you can see धूप चली गई है. I'll take the bus to the airport और airport से train जाती है to central London. So I'm gonna take that train और airport वापस जा रही हूँ. अभी मैं airport से ही आई थी. बहुत अजीब लग रहा है but that's how it is. और बहुत अजीब लग रहा है ऐसे अकेले अकेले अपने आप को फिल्म कर रही हूँ. यूजुअली साथ में दोस्त होते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है, like they hype me up, but right now I look like a joker. I mean, I feel like a joker. I don't look like a joker. So I'm going towards the platform now. It's a fast train that I've taken and usually it's around 20 pounds, which is around 2000 rupees. But since I'm a staff here, so it's going to be less than that, which is just 7 pounds, which is around 700-800 rupees.
Is not permitted in the station or on any train.
Train on the platform to London Paddington, where this train terminates.
Hi guys, so I am back in the hotel and I am so tired. I don't even remember my name. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि this was not a good idea to land and just go straight away. And even if I went, which I do, it's not a new thing for me. I stayed there for अभी रात के 8 बज रहे हैं. So you can say that I stayed there for 8 hours. What was the reason? मतलब The thing is, Oxford Street इतना बड़ा है ना, मैं भूल गई थी. I mean to navigate from one shop to the other shop और मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेनी थी. So I am tired. But anyway, I will sleep more than 10 hours. So अभी मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगी कि मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा. I had some orange juice. This was a freshly squeezed juice. जैसे कि आपने देखा आई हैड udon नूडल्स. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो मैदे का होता है, बट वो मैदे का नहीं होता है. इट्स मेड ऑफ व्हीट फ्लावर. हाँ, बहुत सारा ग्लूटेन हो गया है, बट स्टिल इट्स बेटर देन रिफाइंड फ्लावर एंड आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गिल्टी दैट आई हैड सो मच. इट वाज वेरी टेस्टी. विल आई गो देयर अगेन? I don't think so. But the sesame soup was really nice. It was a sesame based soup. Anyway, so I went to this place called Food Asylum. यहाँ पे मोस्टली आपको सारे स्पोर्ट्स प्रोडक्ट मिलते हैं, लाइक न्यू बैलेंस, एडिडास, प्यूमा, एवरीथिंग यू कैन गेट. एंड वहाँ पे सेल चल रही थी, तो आई वांटेड अ लेगिन. सो आई बॉट अ लेगिन ऑफ दिस कलर. इट्स अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड फोरेना. व्हाट दिस. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. और मैंने मोस्टली मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदे जो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. जस्ट लिटरली मैंने अपने शूज़ भी नहीं उतारे एंड आई स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग माई सेल्फ बिकॉज आई थॉट कि फ्लो में मैं रिकॉर्ड कर देती हूँ और बातें कर लेती हूँ. उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू डाई. गॉट दिस ब्रांड कॉल्ड क्लिनिकल वर्क्स और इसका कंसीलर है मेरे कज़न के लिए जिसकी शादी पे मैं जा रही हूँ. देन आई गॉट कॉन्टोर पैलेट. Like it has a highlighter, illuminator, light contour, dark contour, which is a very good thing. तो एक पैलेट में ही सारा काम हो जाएगा. Then I got a foundation for her. This is the foundation. This is from Revolution brand. बहुत अच्छा brand है and I am going to buy my shade very soon because I tried it और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये foundation. So it's non-oily foundation, so very good for people who have oily acne prone skin. Then I got Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit. So one is a light color. I don't think I'm gonna use this one on her, but ये ज़रूर use करूँगी मैं उस पे. I think it's going to look very pretty on her. Has a fair complexion, so क्योंकि मैं उस पर ये यूज़ करूँगी इसलिए मैं खोल रही हूँ. It's a beautiful rosy pink color. This is how it looks. Very pretty. Very very pretty. I love it. And this one is a very light color. Dark lip liner लगा के उसके ऊपर लगा सकती हो. This I will keep for myself because इसीलिए मैंने ये पैक खरीदा so that I can keep one for myself and one for her. See, this is such a pretty nude color. And if I use like a dark brown lip liner, it will look like this minus the gloss. What else did I get? Oh, I bought a red lipstick for myself because मैंने ये brand कभी पहले use नहीं किया था. It's from the brand called Glossier. And I love a blue toned red, so this is a perfect red. मुझे shade बहुत पसंद आया, तुरंत ही ले लिया. I don't know if this is matte lipstick or what, and the shade is called Jet. So pretty. So these are the lip products that I got. Concealer is also for me. It's from a brand called Rimmel. I love the brand Rimmel because मैंने इसका compact use किया था, pressed powder. It's amazing. And I have chosen a light colored concealer because I want to highlight my face, like my under eyes and stuff उसके लिए. But if you see, like यहाँ पे लगाया मैंने, matches my skin tone. थोड़ा सा light है, which fits perfectly because that's what I'm going to use it for, to highlight my face. Yeah, so I bought this lip liner from Revolution. It's almost my lip color but darker, which is what I want. I will apply this. I love it. And for my cousin, I also bought this brow pencil, and from the brand Revolution. I think I'm going to be a regular buyer of Revolution because बहुत अच्छा. This is the shade medium brown. So I got this makeup kit. It's a multi-purpose kit. Pet name starts from P, so it's P, written P here. So yeah, it's I think very cute, and I'm going to put all of these in here. I bought these perfumes from Next. These are also for my Mossy and Mami and Mossy again. It's a set of 3 perfumes, and I've used them. I really love it. They are long lasting and they are very inexpensive. Oh, I bought a bronzer. I shouldn't have bought this because I already have a bronzer in this. So why did I buy this? It's okay, I'll keep it. It's anyway for only £1 from Primark. And then I bought 2 lip liners from Primark. I really wanted to try them. This one is Toffee and this one is Spice. So I'm thinking I'll keep Spice for my cousin, because I think I'm gonna use it on her, and maybe this one also, Toffee also, I'll use it on her. Then I bought a legging. This is a fleece legging in dark gray color. I'll wear it and show it to you. I really love these leggings. They are so comfortable and so multi-purpose. And मेरे लिए तो winter बहुत लंबा होता है because of London में इतना ज़्यादा टाइम तक ठंड रहती है. अभी भी it's 3 degrees. This is how the fleece legging looks like. Very comfy, very nice. I love it. I also bought this perfume for myself. And it's perfect for putting it in your travel bag. मैंने उल्टा खोल दिया है. It's floral, musky, and perfect for nighttime wear. And it's only for £6, which is like 600 rupees. So pretty good, huh? Is that all that I bought? I mean, मैंने अपने पैर तोड़ दिए शॉपिंग करके, but that's all. 12 makeup products and most of the things ऐसे इधर उधर करके खरीदा है मैंने. अभी मेरी फिर से 2-3 दिन बाद फ्लाइट है. I'm flying with my friend, which I'm super excited about. So yeah, this was my shopping vlog. I hope you like it. और मैं दोबारा जल्दी आने की कोशिश करूँगी.